Guys, welcome back to my channel Design Hub Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna see how to make a robot for restaurant design. So let's start with the flow. Okay, let's go on line option, create a line of suppose 90 mm. Okay, the line is created now. Now go to profile option and create a profile for the robot body. Okay, the body like this. Create a segment of a body, then we'll rotate the body. Okay, I'll show you like this. Exit option. Okay, let's get the fillets. Okay, it's done. One more fillet. Exit. Let's rotate it. The body is done. Let's draw the camera angle. Then we'll trim all this. Evolve it. Done. Again, one base stand will make here. The new base stand will be slightly lower than the previous one. Let's trim this again and then exit. Let's revolve once again. It's done. Now it's time to make the forearms. It's very much difficult to make the forearms. So let's do one thing. Let's try to create a plane over here, side by side. Okay. It's not happening. We just need to now create a reference plane. Again, it's not happening. Now let's create a point, okay, and a plane, and it's done. Okay, let's create a circle over there. The circle is created. Let's annotate the circle, and we'll annotate it as a 25 mm of diameter. Let's exit the sketch and let's do a pad. By pad option, we'll create by 15 mm pad. Let's create a pad on other side as well. Okay, so our pad is done. mm same, 8 mm. Okay, and let's create the more features of arms by creating different plane. We'll do like this. So this is not the possible way. We try to do in a different way by creating a point and a curve. Okay, the point is done, and now it's time to take a normal to curve. This point, this curve is done. Let's create a extra surface by the reference curve, by the reference plane we have taken. We'll try to create something conical like structure here, and we'll revolve it. We'll draw a segment and we'll revolve it now, just like this. It's done. The arms, the 4 arms of the robot is created over here. Now let's mirror this one for the both sides. Select first what we need to mirror. We need to select and go insert, transform, then mirror, and okay, it's done. The 2 forearms are completed. Now we need to make the elbows and all of the robot. Again we need to do some same thing, the point and normal to curve plane. Selected the point, now we need to select the curve. It's done. Go to the reference plane and draw a circle. Exit, pad up the circle to its measurable length, desirable length of the arms of the elbow till the elbow, and okay. Let's make it to 50. Okay. Then let's draw a rectangle over there. So we need to switch the pad in a different layer for the hands of the robot. So we need to go to profile option and we'll create a rectangle, a simple rectangle. Okay, then we'll pad up 5 mm. Okay, we got the different angle of the elbow. Now we'll do one thing, we'll select a plane of a rectangle we have drawn right now. I'll show you how to draw. And create a profile of the forearms of the elbow. Then we'll offset this. We'll use offset option for this, and we'll use now line option or profile option to join these things, join the lines. Okay, in both sides as well. We'll pad it here. It is done. Then we'll fillet this to make it more curvy like structure. We'll select all the sides. Okay, then it's done. 2 mm fillet. Okay, let's make it to 6 and it's done. Mirror this structure. It's done. Okay, then again we'll do one thing, we'll choose the surface, we'll draw a rectangle over here by simple rectangle feature. Let's check the alignment of the previous one. done. We'll pad it now. Done. We'll select the surface and create the side elbow. Again, a little bit curvy. On a downside, and we'll offset it. Then we'll join all the lines to make a closed surface. It's done. Then we'll pad it. It's done. We'll make the fillets to make the rectangle a little bit curvy. It's done. Then the robot forearms and the hands almost is completed. We'll go to next step. Okay, we'll see all the measurements. It's correct. Now we'll draw the down body. The upper body is completed. Now it's time to make the down body of a robot. We'll select the plane. We select the side plane. Hence we need to do some rotations of our lower body. We'll select the side plane. This is not just the case, we need to select a different plane. This is not the case. We'll exit it and we'll select the side plane. It's done. So we'll do project 3D element here. It's done. Now we'll go to profile option. We'll draw the body like this. Part by part. By making the surface parallel to each other. For the new viewers, please subscribe this channel. Who are interested in design. Because in this channel we teach design skills. Okay. So it's done, almost completed. We'll try to do faster. It's done. Then we'll delete this. Check the curve status. It's closed. Will revolve the surface. It's done. So lower body is created now. Now the next step is to create the lower base surface. Lower base surface. We'll pad this. Done. Let's go to profile option. We'll create the lower base part of this zigzag mechanism. It's done. We'll rotate this. rotated this by axis. It's done. We have to select the plane for the base wheel. Okay, we'll make the surface of the base wheel, okay, in which the wheel is going to stay, how the robot is going to move. Like this. We'll pad this by mirror extent. Then we'll try to sell this out. It's done. Let's just try to sell this thing. It's not happening. We'll create a hole now. Downside by creating sketch surface. Click on downside. We draw a rectangle. Then done. Then we'll try hole option, pocket option. We'll pocket this out. Okay, it's done. And let's try to make a wheel now of a down wheel in which robot is going to move according to the decisions given by the operator. And we'll pad the circle. By mirror extent, and let's make it in 5 or 6, or 6 is done. And let's edge it out. Done. Now the base surface, the middle surface, the upper surface is completed totally. Try to make a hole here till the last. Okay, it's done. Now let's try to make the fingers and the camera as well of a robot. We'll draw the base of the finger, fillet it. It's done. Now it's time to do same like the next surface, like the next hand. We'll pad it out. Let's make the same for this arm as well. Let's draw a rectangle and let's pad it. Let's fillet it. By selecting both the surface, adjacent surfaces. Create a circle as well, the base for the fingers. And we'll create a circle over here. We'll do the same for the next surface. Now it's time to make the hands, fingers mainly, and the camera as well. Let's try to make the hands. We create a pad of 15 cm circle, 15 mm circle. The pad is completed. Use profile option. Offset it. We'll use edge option, the next option, to make the fingers roundy look. It's done. We'll apply surface fillet. Three fingers are done. We'll delete the finger rings because it's not adjusting according to the need. Okay. Then we'll shell this out. We'll keep the shell area is 2 mm. It's done. The next step, we'll save it and we'll create the outer glass layer of the camera. The process is going to be same, but the dimensions are going to be a bit higher than the previous one. We'll save these and now we'll move to assembly. Now we need to add all the parts, existing parts we have created just right now, all the cameras, and we'll manipulate it, manipulation option. The head of robot is going to be like camera. We'll give the desired color of the camera, it's black. When we'll give the upper layer the watery part. And we'll give the rest of the body color. As white. We'll give the hand color as metal green or some other, or metal blue. Now we are going to make the accessories the bodies handling by their hands. We'll shell it. We'll make one dish or hypothetical dish, anything it could be. We'll save it and we'll move to product and we'll add it here like this. Again we use manipulation option and we'll drag the part to its existing or desired position. Where it seems like robot is holding the cup and plate like this, and a food item as well. Now we'll create some extra accessories the robot is handling. That option, it's done. We'll save this one again. After giving the color of the blanket, save it, go to product, we'll go to add option, insert existing, we'll add this one. It's done. We'll manipulate the option and put this in the desired direction, in a desired location as well, like this. Seems like robot is holding the cotton cloth. Wow. The next step is going to the stickers, traction stickers like CATIA. We'll add here DS CATIA stickers. We'll click OK. We'll give our company's logo, Design Hub Tutorials, here and on both sides as well, the arms. Turn it upwards and slide with slide boards. Again upwards, slide to side, and then okay, it's done. So the next part is going to be the rendering part. It's the most important part, and will look like how the product is going to look like. Let's check it out. Let's go to render option. Let's resize the scale, go to render. So this is really going to look like a giant one, holding a plate and a cotton cloth as well, and a camera as well in the top of the body to look like a real robot. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe this channel, like this channel, and share as much as you can, because this channel is really meant for design lovers who is really interested in learning the designing skills.